In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble TOYOGO's Garden Long Bench. Before we begin, open up the package. Inside the package, these are the items you will find. Starting off with the bench panel, lay it on the underside with the curved edge facing away from you. Grab a support frame and connect it to the slots on the bench panel as shown. Line the holes up and insert a screw to secure both the frame and the bench panel. Notice a square-shaped connector on every screw. Ensure the screw fully fits into the slots as shown. Afterwards, screw the covers on the other end to fully secure the build. Ensure that the covers are screwed in tightly to better stabilize the bench. Repeat this step for the remaining support frames and slots. For this product, the steps are relatively straightforward and repetitive. Take your time to pause or rewind the video if needed. After the sitting area has been secured, put the bench on an upright position. Now, we will be working on the backrest of the bench. Install the bench panel with the curved edge of the panel facing upwards. Similar to the bottom side, each frame contains two holes for the screws to be slotted. Using the plastic screws, insert it into every hole to fully secure the backrest onto the bench. Once done, screw in the covers for every screw as tightly as you can as shown. And with that, TOYOGO's Garden Long Bench is now completed. Made to endure the elements, the Garden Long Bench is not only waterproof but dustproof, termite resistant and durable. Consider adding more style to your garden or balcony. Thank you for watching.
TOYOGO, we cater to all your needs.